Today, we're going to show you 7 surprisingly useful kitchen hacks, like a mess-free way to apply oil, an easy trick to deep clean cutting boards, how to remove stubborn grease from lids edges for good, and a few more almost no one talks about. Let's get into it. You should never pour used cooking oil down the drain. It can clog your pipes and pollute the water. Instead, let the oil cool completely. Pour it into a zip-top bag, seal it well, and throw it away or recycle it. It's simple, clean, and way safer for your plumbing. Next up, let's tackle one of the hardest things to clean in the kitchen: pan lids. The edges trap grease that never seems to come off. Skip the metal scrubbers and grab an empty pill blister pack. Use one corner to scrub along the rim. The plastic is stiff enough to cut through grease, but gentle enough not to scratch. In just a few minutes, the lid looks noticeably cleaner. Back to prep, specifically citrus. If you feel like you never get enough juice out of lemons, try this. Cut the lemon in half, place it between kitchen tongs, and squeeze. The pressure spreads evenly, helping you extract more juice with less effort and way less mess. Let's talk about something every kitchen has: cutting boards. Over time, they can hold on to bacteria, stains, and bad odors. To clean them properly, sprinkle salt over the surface and scrub it with half a lemon. The salt lifts residue, the lemon naturally disinfects, and after a quick rinse, your board looks and smells fresh again. Here's a small fix for a really annoying problem. If your salt keeps clumping because of humidity, put a handful of uncooked rice into a zip-top bag, poke a few small holes in it, and place it inside the salt container. The rice absorbs moisture from the air, keeping your salt dry and free-flowing. And if applying oil with a kitchen brush always leaves your counter greasy, this trick will change everything. Take a plastic container with a lid and make a small hole in the center using a hot tool. Pour the oil inside, insert the brush so the bristles stay inside and the handle sticks out. Then screw the lid on. Now, whenever you need oil, just lift the brush, apply it, and close it again. Clean, controlled, and no drips. Finally, let's deal with those annoying flies in the kitchen. To keep them away without using chemicals, roll small pieces of aluminum foil into balls, place them in a zip-top bag filled with water, seal it, and hang it near a window or doorway. The reflections confuse flies and help keep them out of your kitchen. Which of these hacks are you trying first? Let me know in the comments.
Excelente.